My name's Casey Raymond. I'm a filmmaker and an illustrator, and as a hobby I make little books and zines. This is a zine I made in 2013. It's called Ho'oponoponopono, Psychodamical Warfare. It's not called that, but it's I'm finding it hard to pronounce. There's a nice picture of a volcano ashtray and some tea bags on the front. The idea behind this was someone gave me a shop to work in the middle of town, and I set myself up as a therapist with a clipboard, and people would drop in and I'd draw their psychodynamic portraits, which involved having a clipboard and a sketchbook like this, and I'd have these pointed questions to get people to open up to me, and I'd sit there very quietly and let them ramble off. And people in Cardiff have some quite dark minds, to be honest. So there's lots of dark stuff in this. There's someone who's scared of some sandwiches.